Thank you so much, Ma'am Marietta. I got the 2,000 pesos you donated to my rescue stray cats and dogs. Now I bought all this. Ay itinodo ko na for cat foods and dog foods and this vitamins and cat litter. Um, anyway, I'm so sorry if I'm asking you help. My salary is not really good this time. I need to survive. I'm almost give up for these cats, but I can't because they need me. I cannot return them to the street in 8 years we've been together. So it's really hard for me. I can't do it. Even my health and my life is destroyed because of tired and I'm getting sick cleaning up their poops, stress where I can get their foods because my salary are not enough for my bills. But still I not give up because they need me. Thank you so much for your kind heart, ma'am. I know you suffer too. You need for your retirement, but I'm sorry. Inshallah, I hope one day we'll have better future. My fish pond will be fine. Oh, nakakuha ako ng garapata, habi.
Garapata?
Ay, garapata yun.
Hindi.
Ewan ko, gumapang dito eh. Parang kulay
Lang
dilaw.
yun.
So, yun. Thank you so much, Ma'am Marietta. Thank you so much. Ibinili ko na po lahat. Magkano ba lahat?
1787.
1787. Tapos yung iba, binawas ko dun sa binawas ko dun sa GCash. Actually, 30 lang naman ang GCash. But kailangan kong bumili ng pintura. Tumutulo yung kanilang tumutulo at saka bulkasil. Tumutulo yung bahay nila. Kailangan kong i-fix kasi nagkakasakit. Nagkakasakit sila. I have to fix the roof because it's leaking. So I bought this one, yung natitira.
1270.
Oh. So 1 to 70 yung cat food, almost 11 kilos. Tingnan mo, 1 to na siya. 11 kilos plus 12 kilos. So, I am really sorry if I ask help for you today. Thank you so much for your kindness. So, here is
1787.
how much on?
Same.
So, ito po lahat. Ito po lahat yung bill. Tapos, yung binawasan ko ng 200 plus, ibinili ko nga ng Bulkasil at saka pintura kasi tumutulo yung kanilang bubong. Aray ko. Oo, wala na.
4, 5, 6, 7, 800.
Thank you, madam. Hindi po ako pinapautang sa store na to, madam.
Bawal
Ma'am
po
Marietta.
utang ngayon. Bukas
Hindi talaga nila ako pinapautang kasi kung may mas malapit lang doon sa amin na matino, doon siguro doon ako bibilat, doon ako uutang siya. Ha, sinumbong na kita. Hindi ako nila pinapautang, promise. Sana lang magkaroon ng mas malapit doon na matino na cat food, cat pet siya para pag nawawalan ako ng pagkain, hindi kawawa yung mga alaga. Hindi sila nagpapautang, promise. Oo. Wala akong magawa. Hindi sila talaga nagpapautang. Oo. Pero ito lang kasi matino dito na pet shop. Walang iba eh. Yung the rest, nilalangaw eh.
Tindero lang po yung mukhang hindi.
Uy, ipopost ko to sa ha?
Okay lang.
YouTube, nagsasalita ka ng hindi maganda sa sarili mo.
Okay.
Oo. But anyway, totoo po yung sinasabi ko. Hindi sila talaga nagpapautang.
Sino